Included with this tip sheet are some sheets with "Can you match the beginning sounds?" at the top of the page. Find the beginning sound 1 sheet and help your child cut out all the pictures and put them in a bowl. Have him reach into the bowl and pick out 1 picture. Ask what it is and what sound it starts with.
Sound to it.
Have him find a picture on the beginning sounds 2 sheet with the same beginning sound.
So, these are the sounds we're going to match. What does mouse start with?
Ma, shoot. I don't know.
Yeah, what is that? Shoes starts with sh. What's this?
H.
Hand, H. What's this? That's what a firefighter uses.
Axe.
Yes.
What?
Axe.
A.
Uh-huh. What's this one?
B.
Bike.
C.
Cow. Good job. I can't believe you knew that was a C. Whoa. What is this?
A kite.
Kite sounds like.
Cow.
Excellent.
Kite cow.
Kite. Ow. Whoa. Hand hat. You did it. Empty. Ah.